Welcome to my minimal, low-budget van tour where I will quickly detail all that is needed to live the life of your dreams, even if you're broke. This setup is perfect for the solo traveler, yet with a little creativity could be easily adjusted for a couple. The ideal build for low-budget, full-time van life should consist of only the lightest weight materials possible in order to maintain maximum fuel efficiency. Once you've acquired your home on wheels, all you need to build is a bed, and depending on your vehicle, possibly some flooring to secure it. You don't need carpentry skills. I have none, yet I built this on my own with materials from Home Depot. Questions regarding materials used may be posted in the comment section. On top of the slats, I keep camping mats and extra sleeping bags. This adds padding while saving space. I also keep my atlas and reading materials there conveniently behind the driver's seat. The bed is topped with a memory foam mattress covered with a sleeping bag sheet. Under the bed I have a large plastic tote which contains items I don't need to access on a daily basis. These include camping and hiking gear, my hammock tent, tools, cookware, extra towels, a first aid kit, canned goods, and an inflatable river raft just for fun. Next, a collapsible laundry basket, a bin of soaps, bug repellent, tampons, and toiletries, an empty coffee container and bowl, shocking usage revealed in blog link provided below, and a basket of cleaning supplies. How could I live like this, you ask? Well, I prefer to spend my days like this. Living as though I'm on constant vacation, averaging a total of only $500 per month, rather than spending my days like this, stuck in the rut of routine, averaging well over $2,500 per month. Different lifestyles make different people happy. No right or wrong, no judgment, to each his own. Stashed behind the large plastic tote I have footwear, a self-inflating air mattress, a yoga mat, and my tripod. A snow brush ice scraper combo is needed for occasions where you find yourself in winter weather conditions which may come without warning in the mountains. Under the bed on the sliding door side is a water container with a spout that can be used to wash hair, dishes, or brush teeth. My camera bag, a duffel with winter gear, and my laptop all tucked securely under when the sliding door is shut. I also keep bug netting that can be velcroed to windows or doors, and a small propane canister underneath where temps remain cool. Next to the bed I have a bin containing coffee, spices, and snacks that are used on a daily basis, and under that a tub with regularly used utensils, dishes, and my French press. The grill fits nicely between my bed and the clothing bin, and my sun reflectors that I velcro to my windows for privacy provide padding so there is no banging or rattling while in transport. Atop my clothing bin is another bin containing regular use items such as pens and pencils, my toothbrush, hairbrush, a couple of solar-powered lanterns. Inside my clothing bin, I keep winter wear on the bottom, summer wear on the top, or vice versa depending on the season. I keep a small bin with socks and underwear on top where it is easily accessible. My computer lap pad fits nicely in place to, again, restrict movement and rattling. These woven strap lightweight bins were found on sale at a Christmas tree shop, ranging between $5 and $15 a pop. They are secured in place with bungee cords and flexible zip ties. The clothing bin conveniently doubles as a nightstand. A 12-volt charger from my phone or iPad is located conveniently behind. Because I have unlimited data through AT&T, I get free HBO streaming and, if desired, can HBO and chill just like a normal person. Ah, the ambiance. Staying organized is key. I have ready-to-go bags for dog care, beach gear, and shower supplies for those occasions where I actually get to use a real one. My fridge is an $80 cooler that holds ice for 5 days. I buy produce or other items needing refrigeration for only 1 or 2 meals at a time. When the ice begins to melt, I have a little waterproof box that I put my plant-based cheeses, hummus, etc. in to keep them dry and edible. And of course, refillable water bottles are a necessity. Under my front seat, I have jumper cables, which thankfully I haven't yet needed. My visor is my mirror, and I have a GPS, which usually succeeds in picking up a satellite signal when my phone is out of service. In my glove box, I keep a few handy items, like my vehicle documents and AAA card, a box cutter, bear bells, pepper spray, which I've never even felt the need to take out of the package because the world is a much kinder, safer place than the media has brainwashed us to believe, and most importantly, my annual National Parks Pass. The crossbar found at Target doubles as a curtain rod and clothing/hat hanger. The built-in shelf above the driving console holds my reusable shopping bags, umbrella, and front windshield sun reflector. Cleo's spot has plenty of warm blankets and a full-size dog bed for use outside of the van. In extremely cold temps, she sleeps with me. But otherwise, we both prefer our space to stretch out and sleep comfortably. I assure you, she is very content with this lifestyle, despite the fact that she is giving me the hairy eyeball. I have plenty of privacy when my reflectors are velcroed in place, and I usually don't even bother closing my curtain because my beach towel is normally hanging to dry. Stickers are a fun, inexpensive way to keep souvenirs of places you've been, bands you've seen, festivals you've attended. But if you want to blend in and remain stealthy, which as a vehicle dweller, you do, it's best to keep them inside and not stuck to your bumper. So there you have it, everything you need and more to survive on the road in a minimal, eco-friendly, inexpensive way. You may afford more or less pricey items than what I have, but the point is that with a little creativity, adaptability, and determination, you too can live as though you're on full-time vacation. Just embrace that inner free spirit, kick that doubt to the curb, and make it happen one step at a time. I'll be right here to help.